Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria, and in this video, we will be going over one of the best ways you can make more money and save time as a lash technician. As a lash tech, we know our time is super valuable. The more time we can save efficiently in each appointment results in being able to take more clients. In this video, I'm so excited to show you guys the product that I have been recently using for my fills to help improve my speed. So I decided to try out Paris Lash Academy Pro-Made Volume Fans. There's been a lot of buzz going on about this brand, especially on their Pro-Made fans because of their bases being so thin. So I was super excited to try them out for myself. And after receiving this product in the mail, I was so ready to open up the box. The first thing I noticed was the packaging is super cute. The box is solid and it had a magnetic lip on the side of the box that closes, which I thought was nicely designed. So this product actually exceeded my expectations. The first thing I looked at when I opened the box was to see if the bases were really pointy, and they were the most pointiest bases I've ever seen on a pre-made fan. So I wanted to compare Paris Lash Academy's Pro-Mades to another brand I was using, which I thought my bases were pretty good, but as you can see comparing them both together, the Pro-Made bases are way more narrow. The ones that I've purchased are 0.03 10D, mixed length is 10mm through 12mm. If you decide that you want to purchase and try them out for yourself, use the promo code LASHTherapy at checkout, and I'll also post the link of the website in the description box down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like my channel, and at the end of the video, please comment down below and let me know what you think of the end result. So I want to disclose that most of my career I have been using the Russian volume technique, which allows me to control more of my sets to stylize them, and it assures a more customized fit for my clients' natural lashes. But I do want to mention, pre-mades are great for saving time and energy for beginners and even for new business owners, and also they are great for basic volume sets.